Welcome to the Random World of LSJ. It's like my initial video blog. Just something Scott Boy thought I'd kill a little time doing something. So for my first initial blog, I want to discuss something that's kind of worrying me a little bit, and I know it's a trend that's been developing over the last month or so, and I just wanted to make people aware of it, if you're not aware of it, to be kind of careful about it. On yesterday, of course, you had the Florida State game. Well, I have exclusive video footage of the Florida State team train leaving Gainesville, heading back to Tallahassee. And it may shock you a little bit to see what developed as that train was departing from Gainesville. Okay? Check it out. You seen it. They hanging out the windows, they chant, they just out of control. I mean, I'm not talking to the real Florida State fan. We know who y'all are. We y'all the ones who've been in the NFL. We know who y'all are. I'm talking about the ones y'all who just went out there in the last month or two buying t-shirts and flags. And every time you see them, they stop. Okay, please, this we don't believe you. Stop, okay? That's going to probably just go ahead and do that for me then. That's my initial video blog. My name is Levi Shannon Jr. Welcome to my Random World, the Random World LSJ. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back hollering at you at another time. Other than that, peace. One love.